Now teachers, first we'll create a class notebook and then we'll see how to send papers to each student in the class notebook. So I'll go on Teams. I have made a new team. I'll click on class notebook. The moment I'll just show from starting. The moment I click on class notebook, it will give me a button, set up OneNote class notebook. Click on this button, say blank notebook. Don't change anything over here. Click on next. Then we are making 4 sections for children. If you want, you can make only one right now. We'll make only homework for them. This is the place where they will receive the papers. Okay, so I'll click on create. Books are getting ready. It will take little time depending on internet connectivity. Is done. Once everything is done perfectly, if the notebook is created, it will show me the welcome to class notebook page. Then you click on this navigation panel, you can see a greater than symbol over here. Click on that. Now you see I have 5 students, so their names are listed over here. Can you see? Now suppose I want to send the corrected paper to Deepa ma'am, so I'll click on the left arrow. I'll see the homework button over here. Click on the homework button and you can give the title on the right side, your answer paper. Once you write, click enter. Once you come on this space, like this white space, only then you will be able to upload the answer paper. So once you are here, click on insert. After insert, click on this file. It will pop up 2 messages, insert as attachment or insert printout. So take insert as attachment, click on choose file, select the path where you have kept the paper. So I have kept the paper here, so I'll send one of the paper, suppose it's this paper. I'll click on open, I'll click on insert. Now see the paper is getting uploaded to that particular child. So that child will see only his or her paper. Since as a teacher we are sending papers, children will not be able to delete this. So for every child, we have to go to that child's name, click on the arrow. It will take little bit time depending upon the size of the file. Once it is uploaded, I'll show one more. I click on this child's name. I'll click on homework tab. I can again write your answer paper. Click enter. Click on file. You can take any of the option. You can even take insert file printout also. I prefer attachment, so I'm doing attachment. Again choose file. Select the file of the child as per child's name, click on open, click on insert. Now it is uploading on that child. So once the child open his class notebook, he can click on the paper and see. Like I'll show the previous one. This we are done. So you can see it is not allowing you to show the paper because it is PDF. So anyways you have to download and check. If at all you are taking on class notebook, will not use this feature. Will use only to send to children. Okay, clear everybody? Thank you.